What's going on, everyone? It is Blake. I am back today for another quick video. The first pretty decent snow in New Hampshire for the 2021-22 season, I guess. Wrapping up the year of 2021, which is always exciting, and always exciting back behind the wheel of the STI. So as I said, I'm making this video in the years 2021, and you see the title of the video that says changes from 2017 to 2018 STI. Hopefully this will be help if you're in the market for, of course, a used vehicle at this point. Do you want to pick the 2017? What are the differences to the 2018? Are they essentially the same? So let's quickly pull over and highlight a couple of those things. So let's start off with the interior. A couple minor changes from 2017 to 2018. One of them being is this screen right here. Now, in the 2015 to 2017 model, the screen was significantly a little bit shorter. So your display wasn't as big. I had a 2015 WRX and had that display, and I actually really like, it's not a huge difference, but having a little bit wider of a display is nice. You get all the same controls. You know, you can set it up however you want. For example, I put boost, accelerator pedal, so you can see the different you know, data there, and you can set it up how you want. So that's quite nice. Another thing is, which I have to shut the car off for, so in the 2018 model, something that they did was thicken the glass in the door seals to muffle the sound of, you know, the car and the road and everything like that. Now for me, it doesn't really apply at all because I have an exhaust system, but when it was stock, it was very quiet. But if you're gonna run a stock exhaust, you know, stock suspension, things like that, you'll notice that it's quite comfortable in here. The seal's very nice when you shut the door, and it's a nice comfy place to be, especially for a road trip. Engine-wise, it stays the same as the classic EJ for so many years that Subaru has used from 2017 to 2018. Now the new 2023 should have a new engine, which is exciting, but you're looking at the same performance, pretty much the same miles per gallon, things like that between the two of them. Now moving a little bit closer here, you can see the wheels is the introduction of the 19-inch wheel, which in my opinion is the best looking stock STI wheel, and the lime green calipers, which are also a hit, especially with a color like white. It looks really good on black too. Gotta brush the snow off a little bit here, but in the 2018 model you get built-in points where you could mount a roof rack, which is very nice. I don't believe the 2017 had that. I believe that was an addition. I might throw roof racks on it. Love snowboarding, love surfing, so that'd be a nice, convenient addition for me. And that's an easy way to put it on once we have the roof racks. Now another point are the grills. They look a little bit more aggressive in my opinion this year. This is a base, so I don't have the fog lights or anything, but it still has a little bit more of an aggressive look to them. Small little thing, but I mean, if the preference, you like the look of this better, go ahead. Now price range area, you know, you're looking at a kind of an odd market right now, but in the 30,000 range, maybe higher mileage, the higher 20,000 range, isn't much of a difference between the two of them. Again, preference, it's gonna be mileage. Biggest thing I always recommend is check that history report, make sure it wasn't an accident. Really look over the car because they can be so finicky if someone really messed with it before you bought it. So just be careful as always, just like buying any car. But price wise, you know, pretty much roughly the same in the used market right now. Now, another difference from the 2017 to 2018 are the differential controls. As of 2018, they're fully electric. 2017, they're mechanical and electric. So something to keep in mind. You know, supposedly this is quicker. I haven't actually test drove a 2017, so I'd like to check it out and mess with some of the controls and see how it is, but there's a difference right there. This is also a little carbon fiber wrap sticker overlay that I got for it. It doesn't come like this, but I like little things like this, little details. So a quick and to the point video, if you're in between a 17 and 18, obviously the differences aren't out of this world, but there's slight things there, and hopefully you found the video useful if you're shopping for one. Definitely you're thinking of the 2023 STI, do you think it's going to be crazy? Do you think it's going to be underwhelming? I don't know. But for now, we have the old EJ, and it sounds so good. So I'm totally fine with that for now. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Really enjoying uploading, really enjoying filming, thinking of creative ideas, especially during the winter now in New England. Thank you for all the comments and the support on the recent videos as always, and we'll see you next time. Peace.